These are going to be rum and raisin almond croissants. So I've soaked some California raisins overnight in red rum. So I'm just going to put a handful there of these into each. They're soaked so they're nice and moist. And then I'm going to fold them over. So folding these over is quite simple. I'll just go through it with you in a second. We just pick up the corners and we literally fold it over. So we're not looking to coil this pastry as we do with a normal croissant. So we're literally just going to stretch out the corner, fold over like that, okay? And that's it, okay? It's nice and flat, it's different. So again, I'm going to pull this out, coil it over, roll, 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 okay? So we've one more stage to complete, and that's when all these are rolled. I'm going to pipe the top surface with almond cream, and then we're going to dip them into flaked almonds. So you can see they're quite quick and easy to make. Back on the side here. So just tucking that in. See, I want the almond to ooze out. It's all part of the almond croissant. It makes it really, really delicious. The almond caramelizes and bakes. So we literally just fold, 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 fold. There we go. There we go. Final 3 to go. So as you can see, they're nice and even. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pipe a very thin layer of almond cream onto the top here. It's just going to flow over the pastry then when it's proofed and baked. But the other thing it does is it acts as a glue. And it enables us to stick the almond. So I have here flaked almonds. I'm just going to dip them in. See? Okay. So we literally just press the almond into it. And as you can see, the almonds stick then very well to the almond cream. So this is really, really nice and rich. It is the dark muscovado brown sugar, and in addition it has red rum soaking in the raisins. So the bite will be quite moist, tasty and flavoursome. So there you have it. That's how you make almond croissants. I'm going to proof these guys and bake them, and I'll post some pictures later on. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.